everybody, this is Gina and I'm here going to sit with you and go over some great strengthening leg exercises with you right now. First thing I need you to do is sit in a seat and make sure your butt is planted at the edge of the seat and you're going to extend one leg out. This exercise I'm going to show you is going to help strengthen your knee, your quadriceps, and it'll actually help your core as well because you got to have stability while sitting down. Keep the shoulders down and back, and let's lift up. Remember, we're going to do 10 on each leg. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I know you're feeling that. If your balance is a little off or you feel like you're leaning back too far, make sure you're holding under that chair. Let's strengthen that leg out, straighten that leg out, I'm so sorry, and we're going to start. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Just let the legs relax for a minute. The next thing I always think looks really great to focus on is your calf muscles. So I want you to sit nice and planted on that chair, come up on your tippy toes, and you're going to lift up and squeeze and hold, and then come down. Up, squeeze and hold, and come down. Let's keep going. This is number 3. We're going to do 10 of these as well. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is great. Now we're going to just elongate that leg, lift the toe up slightly just to stretch out those muscles that you just used, especially in the calf. And just hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stretch out the opposite side. Hold the toe back slightly, just lift it ever so slightly so you feel that stretch move down to that calf muscle. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is very important that when doing strength exercises, you understand that your body is different from everyone else's. We want you to be able to do what you can do. I want to show you a chair stand-up for the legs. So when you're sitting in a chair, I want you to be able to come up and squeeze and then come back down. This really helps strengthen the lower muscles of the body. You're using your body to lift you up. This is so important for you because it helps create strength, stamina, and balance. So we're almost there. I know I'm not counting right now with you, but believe me, we're doing the moves and you only have to do 10 moves of everything. Here we go. Last one. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed that quick stretch segment for you for your legs. I want you to remember to do 3 sets of 10 every time you do your movements. If you can't make it through those 3 sets of 10, start out with 1, and as you feel you're building strength, go up to 2, then 3 sets.